Are you a business user and you want to be able to find insights within a report without editing? Hmm, can you do that? Let's check this out. Now you're going to click on Copilot. Remember, everything is upscaling with AI. Now we're going to click on Copilot. Now you're going to see in Copilot, you can actually ask questions based on the visuals that you have. So we're going to click on Create and click Enter. You can see he has given us everything that we need for the first key insight that we have. The total sales of the year was $2.29 million. Now let's summarize the visuals on this page. So I'm going to click summarize visuals on this page and I'm going to click go. Now this is it. Now it has also given us the information on sales and profit, and you can see everything here. Now you can see the total quantities sold for the year came at this. And if I click this right now, you see it's going to highlight it and it's referencing it, and this is very cool.